there, I'm Adora, your Vice President for the Faculty of Science and Engineering. I'm going to take you on a tour around the Cambridge City Centre. There's so much to show you, so let's get going. We'll start outside the ARU Helmer building on East Road. On the other side of the road, you'll find the Eastings building where the accommodation offices are based. Burley Street is just along East Road. There are lots of great options for dining along here, as well as charity shops and a Primark. Further down, we'll come to the Grafton Centre, where you can find lots of high street shops, restaurants, a gym, and a cinema. Continuing down onto Fitzroy Street, there are more shopping options including a Superdrug pharmacy. There are many green spaces throughout Cambridge, including the New Square Park and Christ Pieces, where we'll cross as we head on to our next destination. Drummer Street bus station is where all the main bus routes in Cambridge depart from. There are timetables available on the Stagecoach website for a full list of departures and arrivals. We are heading into the city centre now, where we'll find the Lion Yard Shopping Centre. It connects to the Grand Arcade and has a wide range of high street shopping destinations. Cambridge has a busy and vibrant market square, with great options for street food from around the world and unique crafts you can't find anywhere else. It's a great place to explore. King's Parade is one of the most iconic streets in Cambridge and is very popular with tourists. If you want to tour any of the world's famous colleges, this is the best place to come. Corn Exchange is a popular music venue in the heart of Cambridge. ARU Cambridge students graduate here. Back in the Grand Arcade, we'll find loads of high street clothing options, as well as phone shops like Vodafone, EE, and more. There is also a John Lewis department store. One of our last stops on our tour is Parker's Piece, a large park just a few minutes walk from the ARU campus. It's a popular space for sports, picnics, and relaxing. There are also seasonal events from summer fun fairs to festive markets. That brings us back to the ARU campus. If you'd like to take this tour yourself, there are walking tours on offer throughout Welcome, from the 6th to the 16th of September. I can't wait to see you there.